Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and I hope you all are safe and maybe excited for my class. So I am here to teach you SST Standard 2, Chapter 1, and the chapter name is Early Humans and Their Lives. Now before starting the chapter, because I think that you guys had enjoyed a lot your summer vacation and you have completed your holiday homework as well as project work, and I think that you guys not get any problem to complete that all work what you received on summer vacation holiday homework, because before the vacation I just used to teach you SST through violins, but after the vacation that our principal has decided that we will go through the shooting the videos for you, and then I will teach you line by line. So whatever that you have any problem, that you will not get any problem whenever I will explain the chapter. So I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home, and please enjoy your quality time with your family members, and please don't go outside. That we all know that we are in very pandemic virus like COVID-19. So it's better that we can stay at home. We can enjoy the online classes as well as with our family members. So you can enjoy like playing the ludos, carom, video games. In fact, you can read the book also. You can complete your work also, holiday homework also if you don't complete. So once the school will open, I will ask you the homework, and you have to show me all the homeworks what you received on online classes. So it's better that you can complete your all homework, and so that if SST one chapter will finish, that this SST homework also including English also, the both homework I will upload on the Hot Fort International School. So please you can go there and you can take just see your homework, and then you can complete down it in your fair copy. For SST also you have to make one copy too, and for that you have to write down whatever the homework I will give SST, that you should write down in SST copy. So let's go through the chapters. If you have the book, then please open, and whatever I am reading you also read with me. If you don't, then please purchase it as soon as possible. Next is what? It's page number 7. So your chapter is started from this page, so I am explaining here. Please you also see your chapter. Early humans. Now first of all, that who were early humans? The question is there that who were early humans? I think these you have learned in standard 1 also, that who were early humans. So if you don't know, then I am repeating. If you want to note down in your copy at any side, then you can write down that who were early humans. Then the answer is what? Many years ago, many years ago, people lived a very simple life. People lived a very simple life. They were called early humans. They were called early humans. Again I am repeating. Please you just listen carefully. Many years ago, people lived a very simple life. They are called early humans. Now just go and see that what is written in your book about the early humans. Now here written like that, early humans were people who lived many thousands of years ago. Many thousands of years ago. So the same meaning is there also written about the early humans, so that if you want to note down or if you want to underline it, then please underline with pencil. So here is what? Early humans were people who lived many thousands of years ago. They lived in caves and forests. So in that time they don't have the house, so they lived where? They lived in caves, and so they lived in caves and forest and led a very simple life. And they enjoyed what? They enjoyed their very simple life like that, because on that time they don't have the mobile, they don't have the cell phone, they don't have the books to read, they don't have pencils to write, they don't know how to write also. In fact, they don't know how to speak also. In fact, on that time they don't have the music, these all things. So what, they lived in caves and forests, and they live what, they live a very simple life. They ate fruits and roots of trees and hunted animals. In fact, on that time what they eat, they eat the fruits and roots of trees. They eat the fruits and roots of the tree, and they hunted the animal also. Early humans did not know many things that we know or do today. So early humans, what, they don't know that much things. Like nowadays I know that how to speak, how to write, how to read the book, how to cook a food, how to make anything, how to listen. So on that time what, they did not know these all many things. Now what we are knowing, because now what, India is developing, so we know we are in developed country. Now they did not know how to grow food. So early human, what, because they lived a very simple life, so they don't know how to grow food. Nowadays what, in our country the farmer is what, he is the main that who gives us food and delicious and healthy, like grains and these all. So they know that how to grow, the farmers, they know how to grow foods, how we can cultivate and these all things. But on that time the early humans, what, they did not know, they don't know that how to grow food. In fact, how to cook food also. Nowadays we have different type of spices, then vegetables are there, oils are there, and we know that how to cook a delicious food or healthy food. But on that time what, they don't know how to grow food, and they don't know how to cook food also, and build houses. In fact, they don't know how to build houses, because they lived their life in forest and caves. And nowadays we are living in big bungalows in big buildings, houses. But on that time they don't know how to grow food, how to cook food, and how to build houses, because they lead a very simple life and they lived in forest and caves. But they could think and speak. But they can what, they can but they can think also, and they can speak also. Next, I wonder if early humans had cars to move around. In the older days, early humans walked from one place to another, one place to place, or moved around an animals. So that on that time, do you think that early humans have the cars to move around? No, they don't have the cars, because on that time they walked from one place to another, in search of what? In search of food and in search of the water. And what, they moved around and animals also. Next is invention of wheel. Now how wheel has invented in this country. In early stage, there were no vehicles. So in early times, what, when early humans are there, on that time there were no vehicles, no any vehicles. Nowadays what, we have vehicles, like suppose the car, bicycle, then here is motorcycle, rickshaw, train, many different types of transports are there nowadays. But on that time there is no any transports. In fact, nowadays we can what, we can save our time also, we can spend money and we can save our time also. But on that time early humans, they don't have the vehicles, or they don't have any transportations to move from one place to another. Then how they just used to go from one place to another? I think that, just think, before seeing the book and reading, just think that suppose if you don't have the bicycle and cars, and you have to go from one place to another, means distance is there, far distance are there. So on that time it will what, it will take the time also, maybe 2 and 3 hours you will reach. and here is what you can just move from one place to another by walking. Your energy will lose and these all things. So after the invention of wheel, our work is what our life become much easier. How that we will see in the next videos in lecture number 2. So please guys watch the lecture number 2, the invention of the wheel, that I will teach you in the next videos. Thank you and